When you notice signs a man is emotionally connected to you, this one could be for keeps. How do you know? You don't. That's the terrifying thing about love. It's all pot luck and chance, but if you spot these signs, you're at least part of the way to finding out. 1. He talks to you about life's bigger subjects. If a guy is opening up to you and talking about life in general, e.g. his beliefs, his opinions, having deep and meaningful talks about bigger subjects, it's a good sign that he is becoming more emotionally connected. Most guys reserve these kinds of chats for those they trust. 2. He opens up about his family. Come on, most of us have a few skeletons in our closets, and it usually pertains to family. If a guy tells you about his family and includes details that aren't so happy or bright, it's certainly a big sign of connection. 3. He tells you a secret. I'm not talking about some weak secret here, something not at all important. I'm talking about something big, something he doesn't tell everyone, something he's perhaps embarrassed or shy about, or something he's scared of. Being able to trust someone to tell them a secret is a big thing for everyone, but especially for a guy. 4. You're his go-to during times of need. This doesn't mean you're the one who always has to clean up his messes. If he needs to talk because of something that's happened, or he's in trouble generally, you're the one he comes to for help. He trusts you. He knows you care in return, and his emotions are laid bare for you to see. This is definitely one of the bigger signs a man is emotionally connected to you. 5. He shows outward signs of emotion. Not all men find it easy to cry. Some do, some don't. But, if a guy cries in front of you, even just a tiny watering of the eyes, that's a big thing. It doesn't have to be tears. Outward signs of emotion can be a wobbling lip, a look that says that meant something, or a hug which held on just a few seconds longer than normal.